Hello! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To wake it up, you can press the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, basically the circle with the line inside of it. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You should see the message saying Do Not Disturb mode on, and also the icon should change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. If you go back to watch face, you will also see the icon right here at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel again and tap on the icon like this. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off, and the icon will go back to the grayed out color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and also the icon from the watch face will disappear, which also indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.